Good morning, students. My name is Mandeepka from California Public School. Hope all of you are fine. And now let's start today's topic. We are doing the fourth chapter. The name of the chapter is expansion, and we already have finished the first worksheet of this chapter. And today we are going to start its next worksheet, 4th B. Now in the first worksheet, we just have to do the scaling. That means all these types of question are related to the a plus b whole square identity and a minus b whole square identity. Now in the B worksheet, all questions are related to again two identities. The first identity which will be used in this worksheet is first is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. And the second identity which will be used in this worksheet is a minus b whole cube. That is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b and plus 3ab square. These two identities will be used in this worksheet. Now let's start its first question. The statement of first question is find the cube of. Find cube of. In first worksheet related to the square of, and the second worksheet related to the cube of. Find cube of. The first value is 3a minus 2b. 3a minus 2b. We just have to find its cube. Find its cube. That means power 3. Now look at here. Here is the value of a is 3a and the value of b is 2b. Here is a minus b whole cube. That means the second identity will be used in this question. Now put the values of a and b in this identity. We have the value of a. I'm going to write here. The value of a is 3a. The value of a is 3a and the value of b is 2b. Now the identity is firstly a cube. That means 3a cube. 3a cube. After that is minus b cube. The value of b is 2b. That means 2b cube. After that is minus 3 as that is a square. The value of a is 3a, that means it's a square, into b. The value of b is 2b. After that is plus 3. The value of a is 3a into b square. The value of b is 2b square. Now after solving this, firstly here is 3a cube. That means you have to do the cubing of 3 and a also. 3 cube, that means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, that is 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and a is a cube. After that 2 cube, that means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and b cube minus 3 as it is here. Here is squaring 3a square, that is 3 3s are 9 a square. Here is 2b plus 3a as it is लिखो, पहले square खोलो, 2 square is 4 and b is b square. Now after that here is 27a cube minus 8b cube minus, now 3 9s are 27, 27 2s are 54 और a square b, a square and b as it is. तीनों digits की multiply हो रही है. Whenever you will do multiply, you will get the answer 54 a square b. After this 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 a b square. That is the required answer. Now come to the next question of this worksheet. Now the next question is okay. Now the next statement is we have to find the cube of, let us suppose we have a cube of 2a plus 1 over 2a. 2a plus 1 over 2a and we have to find its cube. Now which identity is to be used in this question? A plus b cube. That means the first identity, a plus b whole cube. The value of a is 2a. The value of a is 2a and the value of b is 1 over 2a. Clear? Now put the value in the first identity. First is a cube, that means 2a cube plus b cube, that means 1 over 2a cube plus 3a square b, 3a square, that means 2a square into b, b is 1 over 2a plus 3a b square, b is 1 over 2 square. Clear? Put the value of a and b after that. Now 2 cube, that is 8 and a is a cube. Now here is 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8 and a cube is a cube. Clear? 1 cube is 1, 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 that is 1 and 2 cube 8 and a is a cube. After that 3 as it is है पहले पावर्स को सॉल्व कर लिया करो इजी रहता है. 2 square is 4, a square इसको as it is रखो 1 over 2a. Now here is पहले स्क्वायर को ओपन कर लो उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई इजी हो जाएगी. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 and साथ में a square. Clear? After this we have 8a cube plus 1 over 8a cube and here look at here 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. यहाँ पे a square, a के कैंसिल हो जाएगी, a के रह जाएगी. पहले तो इनकी मल्टीप्लाई करो 3 twos are 6, यहाँ पे 6. क्लियर? एक a से a can cancel, only 6a is there. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 3 by 2 is there, 3 by 2. a और a square that means a cancel हो जाएगी और डिनोमिनेटर में a की रह जाएगी 3 over 2a, which is the required answer of this question. Now come to the next question of this worksheet. Now the next question is I'm going to rub both identities. Whenever it will be used, I will write down again. Okay. Now the second question, the statement of second question is we have given that if a square plus 1 over a square, the second question of this worksheet is we have a square plus 1 over a square is equal to 47 and we have to find out, the first one we have to find out a plus 1 over a and the second which we have to find out that is a cube plus 1 over a cube. Okay, now look at here. We have given a square plus 1 over a square. The value of a square plus 1 over a square is 47, sorry. And we have to find a plus 1 over a. Look at here. If I will do the scaling, then easily we will put the value and we can easily get the value of a plus 1 over a. So let us start from here. We have to find firstly a plus 1 over a and do it scaling because we know the value of scaling. Now the identity is being used a plus b whole square and we already have discussed about so many questions regarding this. The identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That means a square plus b square. The value of b is 1 over a plus 2a and b is 1 over a. After this we have a square, 1 square is 1 and a square is a square. Now here a and a both are cancelled, only 2 is there. Now we have given that a square plus 1 over a square, that is 47. Put the value. Here is 47 plus 2, that is 49. That is the value of a plus 1 over a whole square. But we have to find the value of only a plus 1 over a. That means it is plus minus square root of 49. Clear? Now a plus 1 over a, that is equal to plus minus 49 square root होता है 7 का, because 7 sevens are 49. That is the value of a plus 1 over a. Now come to the second part. We have to find a cube plus 1 over a cube. We know the value of a plus 1 over a. If we will do the cubing on both sides, we can easily get the value of a plus a cube plus 1 over a cube. So let's start from here. We have a plus 1 over a. We have a plus 1 over a, that is equal to plus minus 7. We have to find the value of a cube plus 1 over a cube. So you just have to cubing it on both sides. Cubing both sides. Now here is a plus 1 over a cube and here is plus minus 7 cube. Clear? Now again identity is being used here. Which identity? A plus b cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. The value of b is 1 over a and the value of a is a. Now after doing the cube of 7 cube, that means 7 multiply 7 multiply 7, that is 343 plus minus 343. Now here is a cube plus 1 over a cube clear? 1 cube is 1, a cube is a cube. Now look at here, a square over a cancel हो जाएगी, only 3 is there. Clear? Now look at here, 3a into 1 over a square. Square है, 1 square is 1 and a square is a square equal to plus minus 343. Now come to the next step, a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3a plus a के कैंसिल हो जाएगी, तो डिनोमिनेटर में a के रहेगी प्लस 3 ओवर a इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 343. अब देखो इन दोनों में से कॉमन क्या आ रहा है, 3 कॉमन आ रहा है. तो ऐसे जितने भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन आएगा और इसकी वैल्यू ऑटोमेटिकली फाइंड आउट हो जाएगी. वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a क्यूब प्लस 1 ओवर a क्यूब. तो उसके लिए पहले इन दो वैल्यूज में जितने भी क्वेश्चन इस टाइप के आएंगे सभी में आपकी वैल्यू कॉमन आएगी. तो इसको एज इट इज लिखो, a क्यूब प्लस 1 ओवर a क्यूब एंड 3 इज कॉमन. यहाँ पे a रह गया प्लस 1 ओवर a, क्योंकि 3 मैंने कॉमन निकाल लिया. क्लियर? इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 343. नाउ we already know the value of a plus 1 over a plus 1 over a, that is plus minus 7. Now put the value, here is a cube plus 1 over a cube plus as it is 3 as it is, and the value of a plus 1 over, that is plus minus 7. Why I am going to put here plus minus 7? Because it's a quadratic equation, that means two values are there, one is positive, one is negative. Whenever we have given that, let us suppose we have x square equal to 25 is there, we always write down x equal to plus minus 5, because here is a quadratic equation, that means x की दो वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट करती हैं, एक पॉजिटिव होगी एक नेगेटिव होगी, इसलिए हमें यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस लिखता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्वाड्रेटिक है ना इक्वेशन. तो यहाँ पे प्लस माइनस, दैट मीन्स a की दो, लीनियर होता है x की एक वैल्यू आती है, क्वाड्रेटिक है दो वैल्यूज आती है, क्यूबिक है 3 वैल्यूज आती है. ओके, I would already put down the value here equal to plus minus 343. We just have to find the value of a cube plus 1 over a cube. I'm going to rub this all. Okay, now we have a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 1 over a cube. ये पॉजिटिव है, उस साइड पे नेगेटिव लिख लू मैं, इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस, ये था 343, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव 3 इंटू प्लस माइनस 7. ओके, नाउ प्लस माइनस 7 प्लस माइनस साइन दोनों कॉमन निकाल लू मैं यहाँ पे एक साथ ही. तो 343 माइनस 3 7s are 21. Now whenever you will do the subtraction of 343 minus 21, you will get the answer 322. 322. That means a cube plus 1 over a cube, the value of a cube plus 1 over a cube, that is plus minus 322. Now come to the next question of this worksheet. Okay, now come to the next question. The statement of the question is, we have given that if a plus 1 over a equal to p, the value of a plus 1 over a equal to p, and we have to show that a cube plus 1 over a cube is equal to p into p square minus 3. Now let's start. Okay, firstly we have given a plus 1 over a equal to p, and we have to find out a cube plus 1 over a cube. That means we have to do its cubing on both sides. If there will be there a square plus 1 over a square, that means we have to do its squaring on both sides. Clear? तो यहाँ पे क्यूब है, that means we have to do its cubing on both sides. Cubing both sides. Now here is a plus 1 over a whole cube. Here is p cube. Now which identity is being used here? That is a plus b cube. A plus b cube. That is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. The value of b is 1 over a and the value of a is a. a plus b whole cube की आइडेंटिटी लगाई, यहाँ पे है equal to p cube. Now look at here. Here is a cube plus 1 over a cube. 1 cube is 1 and a cube is a cube. Now look at here. a square और a, एक a कैंसिल होगी, यहाँ पे रह गया 3a प्लस, यहाँ पे a स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, a ओवर a स्क्वायर, एक एक कैंसिल, तो 3 ओवर a. क्लियर? 1 स्क्वायर इज 1, a स्क्वायर इज a स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर आ जाएगा, एक a न्यूमिनेटर में है, a स्क्वायर डिनोमिनेटर में है, तो एक a कैंसिल, ओनली 1 a स्क्वायर इक्वल टू p क्यूब. नाउ लुक इट हियर. again common 3. So a cube plus 1 over a cube as it is, plus here is 3 common, here is a plus here is 1 over a, because 3 is common, equal to p cube. Now we have to prove a cube plus 1 over a cube. ये तो हमें चाहिए, ये नहीं चाहिए. a plus 1 over a की वैल्यू हमारे पास है, p put the value. Now here is a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3 as it is, and the value of a plus 1 over a, that is p. That means 3p is equal to p cube. Now in the left side only a cube plus 1 over a cube is there. That means a cube plus 1 over a cube left side पे रखो, बाकी right side पे shift करो. ये plus है तो right side पे माइनस 3p. ओके, नाउ दोनों में से कॉमन क्या आ रहा है, यहाँ पे p क्यूब है, यहाँ पे 3p, तो p इज कॉमन, तो यहाँ पे p स्क्वायर रह गया माइनस यहाँ पे 3. अगर कॉमन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो मल्टीप्लाई चेक कर लिया करो. p इंटू पी स्क्वायर दैट इज p क्यूब करेक्ट है, p इंटू माइनस 3 दैट इज माइनस 3p करेक्ट है. तो हमारे पास ये प्रूव हो गया कि a क्यूब प्लस 1 ओवर a क्यूब दैट इज इक्वल टू p इंटू पी स्क्वायर माइनस 3. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वर्कशीट. Okay, now come to the next question of this worksheet. We have to use the property to evaluate the value of this 13 cube plus minus 8 cube plus minus 5 cube. Now which identity is to being used here? Firstly, in these types of question, if a plus b plus c equal to 0 बन रहा हो तो हमारे पास है a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब की वैल्यू 3abc होती है. क्लियर? तो सबसे पहले आपने चेक करना है a प्लस b प्लस c 0 बन रहा है या फिर नहीं बन रहा. व्हाट इज abc? Here the first value is a, the second value is b, the third value is c. Look at here, the value of a is positive 13, the value of b is negative 8 and the value of c is minus 5. Firstly you have to check a plus b plus c equal to 0 होना चाहिए. Just have to check a plus b plus c 0 बन रहा है या नहीं. Here is 13 minus 8 minus 5. तो 13 minus 13 it becomes 0. That means in this condition we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube. a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to होता है 3abc. Okay. We have to find the value of this. अगर 0 बन रहा है that is equal to 3abc. Now put the value. Here is 3. The value of a is 13. The value of b is minus 8. The value of c is minus 5. Whenever you will do its multiplication, you will get the answer 1560. Whenever you will do its multiplication, you will get the answer 1560.